Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UpBase for your influencer outreach strategy. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's jump in. First things first, you need to create a profile on UpBase. It's a simple step, but crucial because this is how you'll interact with influencers. Your profile should reflect your brand accurately and attractively. Now that we've done that, the next step is to identify your target influencers. This is essential as it determines the type of audience you'll reach. Use UpBase's advanced search features to find influencers in your niche. Study their content and audience engagement. Once you've identified your influencers, it's time to reach out. The reason we do this is to establish a relationship and propose a collaboration. UpBase has an inbuilt messaging system. Use it to send a customized, personal message. After initial contact, it's time to negotiate. This is where you discuss the terms of a potential partnership, including compensation and content expectations. This helps us because it ensures both parties understand what is expected. Finally, track your campaign. UpBase has a fantastic feature that allows you to monitor the performance of your collaborations. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're getting real-time data on how well your campaign is doing, which helps you adjust your strategy if needed. And that's it. In a nutshell, UpBase is a powerful tool for influencer outreach. You've learned how to set up a profile, identify influencers, reach out, negotiate, and track your campaign. Start exploring UpBase and see how it can revolutionize your influencer strategy. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.